Hello guys, today I'll be comparing Xfinity NOW TV versus YouTube TV, and I'll be going through their strengths and weaknesses and watch to the end to know which live TV streaming service is worth it for you. Xfinity NOW TV is a low-cost streaming service priced around $20 to $25 a month, exclusively available to Xfinity Internet subscribers. It offers a curated lineup of over 40 to 125 popular live TV cable channels, primarily focused on entertainment, lifestyle, and some news. Significant benefit is the included Peacock Premium subscription and 20 hours of cloud DVR. However, it notably lacks major local broadcast channels such as ABC, CBS, Fox, and NBC, and most major sports networks, making it a more niche offering, and it operates month to month, offering flexibility. YouTube TV is a full-fledged cable TV replacement and a broader channel lineup of over 100 channels, including major local networks and a wide array of news channels, and a strong emphasis on sports. It offers unlimited cloud DVR storage, and it supports up to 6 household accounts and 3 simultaneous streams. While its price is significantly higher, around $83 a month, it aims to provide a comprehensive viewing experience that closely mirrors traditional cable, complete with various add-on packages like NFL and Sunday Ticket. Xfinity Now TV is ideal for existing Xfinity Internet customers who want a cost-effective way to add a selection of live entertainment, lifestyle, and basic news channels to their streaming portfolio, and who can obtain local channels or major sports through other means. On the other hand, YouTube TV is better suited for cord cutters seeking a complete cable TV replacement that includes major local networks, comprehensive sports coverage, and a wide variety of news and entertainment channels. It suits households that need extensive DVR capabilities, multi-user profiles, and are willing to pay a premium for a broad and feature-rich live TV streaming experience. I hope this video helps, and thank you for watching.